How to fix Roblox low memory warning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox low memory warning. Your device memory is low. Leaving now will preserve your state and prevent Roblox from crashing. This issue is related to the RAM or memory on your phone, not storage, so we don't need to worry about uninstalling apps. Instead, it's mostly about the apps currently running on your device. The first thing I recommend doing is closing Roblox and rebooting your iPhone or Android phone. Just turn it off and then back on. If you're still getting the low memory warning, there may be other apps running in the background. On an iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to see all running apps, then swipe up on each one to close them. This frees up extra memory for Roblox. If you're still getting the low memory warning while playing Roblox, you can adjust the graphics settings. Once you're in a game, tap the Roblox icon in the top left corner, then select Settings. Scroll down to Graphics Mode. If it's set to Manual, switch it to Automatic and see if that helps. If not, change it back to Manual and lower the graphics quality setting. Try adjusting it a few times to find the right balance for your device. Once you've lowered the graphics quality, return to Roblox, and that should fix the low memory warning issue.